Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Poindexter, your middle school principal. I thought I would take a minute to send a quick video. I know we get lots of emails every day and there's a lot to read, so I thought I would just hop on here so you can see my face, give you a few updates about what's going on with middle school. I have quite a few things to chat through. First of all, we are full swing into semester 2. It's really exciting that we are over halfway through this year. I know it's been a huge challenge for a lot of us, including me, I have 3 kids in VAVA. So kudos to you all for all that you've done this year, all the hard work. I think that it was a very successful first semester, and I feel really, really good about the things that we did first semester, the students' progress, how students are interacting in classes, the phenomenal teaching that's going on, and the interaction and those connections that we're making with students. So really, really great first semester. If first semester wasn't a big success for you, the great news is semester 2 is here and it's a clean slate. So please use your advisors, please use your teachers, reach out if you need assistance, if you're not understanding something, we are all here to support you, because in the end, we just want you to have a successful year. Standards of learning tests, I know lots of communication has been sent. As things change, I try to send them out. As decisions are made, I try to be very forthcoming with that information. It is kind of a tricky year with new superintendent memos coming from the state. I try to be very open and honest with you about the choices that we're making for our students. So I hope that you are reaching out to your advisors if you have questions. Those of you who have not refused testing for May will receive an email that you are going to be testing in person, just confirming that. If you refuse testing, you will also receive an email from your advisors just confirming that we received your refusal. If you still want to refuse testing in May, the advisors will send a link to those that have not refused testing so that you can do so at this time. I know the window has closed, however, we will make an exception for a few more weeks if there are families that did not successfully fill out that link and would like to refuse in-person state testing in May. Any questions about that, please reach out to your advisor. I wanted to just shout out our awesome counselors and our whole staff as we wrap up Kindness Week. Kindness is something I think that we all need a little bit more of every day. So the fact that we took that week to focus on that and be really intentional with our thank yous and with our shout outs is awesome. So thank you to our counseling team and to all of you that participated in Kindness Week. We have History Week coming up, the week of March 1st. It actually coincides with our 8th grade writing, the local assessment that the students are doing virtually. We have some really great, exciting things that week for History Week, so please keep an eye on your daily plan, and you can log in and take advantage of some of those awesome history events that our history department has planned. We are wrapping up Black History Month this week, and I could not be more excited about the speakers that we have coming on Friday. We have 2 very well-known speakers coming. We have Governor Wilder and we have Judge Alston coming to speak to our students at 11 o'clock on Friday. There will be a Zoom link in your students' plan. It has also been put in the newsletter. Hopefully you've been following along with some of the fun trivia and biographies that we've been sharing. And we have an awesome student that did some book reviews that align great for our Black History Month. So hopefully you can check out some of those novels and those book recommendations from one of our students on the news team. But really successful Black History Month this month. Re-registration for next year starts March 4th. We are going to be sending out some information to you. If you have 8th grade students and you are thinking about coming to us next year, we will be having a session with our high school counselors and teachers so that you can get all the information you need to make a decision about next school year. We understand that there's still so much in the air with decisions that are probably being made in your district, in your own families. So if you have questions, or if any one of us, teachers, advisors, administration, can help you kind of navigate as you're making that decision, please let us know. We're here and happy to help you as you make that decision with your intention for next school year. I hope you're staying warm. I know it's been icy cold where we are in Warrenton, Virginia, but I just wanted to take a minute just to thank you all again for such an amazing school year. We grew so much this year, and it was very intimidating for all of us on staff. We tripled our teacher numbers, our student numbers tripled, but I am just super proud of the staff, the teachers, the counselors, administration, all of our support staff, all of the students, and all of our learning coaches and families that have supported us. So thank you from all of us. Stay warm. If we can ever be of assistance to you, please reach out. Advisors are here to help, and we just want to end this year the way it started, really successfully. So thank you all from me to you. Have a great night.